woke up maybe an hour ago. Now we are heading to the gym and gonna do a workout. See how that goes. Another day we'll start from there. We just got done with our workout and we went to the gym. We also ran along the beach, Isaac and I, a mile, and that was super nice. Like being able to run barefoot, and it's just a different feeling. But now we're going to eat, so we're waiting to go down there now.
Minecraft be like.
Many hours later.
So Isaac and I were actually digging for sand fleas, and we found some. We just looked up a video on how to find them, and we were able to find them. It took a while, but they're right here, right there and there.
Should I pick one up?
We heard that they bite. Oh no! He's gonna dig. Is he gonna dig?
I'm scared, bro. I don't want to get bit. Where's the front of its face?
That's the back. It's facing towards you. Pretty sure. It's so funny looking.
Oh, watch out.
We also found a hermit crab too.
Oh yeah.
And manta rays and. Right there.
And this morning on my run, I saw
Right there. And right there.
And today we just walked for like 20. See? Oh no! They can't dig in this end though, because it's dry.
So, how do you describe it? When you dig in?
You dig in, and then you just feel them digging into your hand. Like, it doesn't hurt. You just feel them touching you in it. It doesn't feel right. Okay, come here. There goes one. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. There's two.
Where are they going?
There's three. Ready? Throw one down. One in there. He's in there. And they're in there. There he goes. One is still in there.
Yeah, when the water gets wet, or the sand gets wet, that's when they go in.
Alright, cool, we're done.
Cool. Just got done with a shower after a long day of outside, but take a look at this. I mean, the sunset is kind of past a little, but it still looks pretty crazy. So, oh my gosh, that looks like fire, like lava or fire. And you got that over there. Wow. Oh my gosh, that is stunning. That is beautiful. Look at you guys. Absolutely insane. Wow.
Should I touch him? Should I touch him? He's gonna pinch you. We feed him something. Put your leg on money. Money. Wait, get a stick. I want to touch him. Wait, should I?
He's so funny.
Hey, look at the crab.
We're shooting with both cameras today.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, of course.
Hot dog, mate.
Can we get a hot dog?
You know?
Turkey, please.
A jerky dog.
And then, could also do margarita pizza, please. And then chocolate cake. Alright, thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye. Are you
That was so funny. Here, take it. Take your old camera back.
They said an hour.
An hour? Bro, I'm gonna be asleep. They can eat this with themselves.
1 hour later!
Are you okay?
Can I have a fry?
Oh my gosh.
Ronnie is asleep. I can't do this anymore. Your eye is fully like glitched up. Bro, I slept 2 hours coming here Saturday. I woke up on Sunday with like 4. And I woke up today with like 5.
Your eyes.
Can I have another fry?
Yeah.
He's the last one. Okay?
I have no idea what happens between the time I sleep and I fully wake up.
Well, you're sleeping on, right? I pulled the camera and started recording and started making weird noises.
Flashback.
Chris is currently asleep. He is sound asleep right now. Our food's almost coming, so he has to wake up. That was his breath. Chris, what if our food comes? Chris, what if our food comes? Chris. Christopher. What if our food's almost gonna come? Oh my god, bro. Oh no. That was me at 4 a.m. when I got up, like thirsty for some reason. My saliva was like Spider-Man's web sticking to my face.